where them kill you for. Now me no know where them kill you for. Janos, yeah. So you know, so your true friend gone. When he turn till you can't stop.
Welcome to Jamaica Worldwide, and today we are talking about 10 modern dancehall songs dedicated to those who have passed on. Dancehall means a lot to Jamaicans, and the same goes for the artists that have graced the space over the years. Dancehall has been known to have some dark themes, in contrast to the regular upbeat and fun vibes of the music. Every once in a while, artists become introspective and reflective of those who have passed on over the years. The theme of music expressing sadness for the loss of friends and family members who have passed on became prevalent in the late 2000s and has been made a staple in the dancehall space ever since. The dancehall space usually has different presentation themes, which is popularly known as segments, and this became known as the R.I.P segment or the Missing You segment due to the popularity of the song by Brandy featuring Tamia, Gladys Knight, and Chaka Khan called Missing You. The theme of the segment has been popular but previously dominated by other American songs such as Missing You by P. Diddy and Faith Evans, and of course Tupac's Until the End of Time and other similar songs. But of course, over time, the segment became saturated with Jamaican songs and similar R.I.P. and Missing You themes. These are 10 of the most popular Rest in Peace or Missing You songs in the modern dancehall space. Feel free to check them out at the end of the video. Jamaica Worldwide is growing thanks to your support, and of course, we continue to ask for the usual support. So please, take the time to hit the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. You can also hit the notification bell to ensure that you get videos as soon as they are released.
This is our Sleepy Andy, endorsing Jamaica Worldwide. See? Don't forget to know, Skylarking, that's not what Worldwide do, oh yeah.
Please also check the description for other ways you can support the channel. Number 10, Pearly Gates by Bugle. Bugle has always been known as a brilliant writer and performer, with songs such as Exercise and No Compatible. In 2009, Bugle's Pearly Gates was released on TJ Records' Alter Ego Rhythm. He has always been known to be a very conscious artist, singing about very complex issues and social commentary. Pearly Gates is not far off from what people would expect from the artist, but became one of his more memorable songs. Number 9, Footprints, T.O.K.
Really? Yeah.
In the early 2000s, T.O.K. came with a very unique approach to dancehall, and to this day, Footprints is one of their greatest hits. Known for songs like Girl You a Lead, When Eagles Cry, and other very upbeat songs, Footprints was a very different content from what they were known for. At the time, Don Corleone was a highly sought-out producer and would release the Drop Leaf Rhythm, which hosted numerous classics from the best in the business. T.O.K. hit with their contribution of Footprints, which shot to number 1 on the charts. They followed up with the song Tears and Don Corleone's next reggae output, Seasons Rhythm, which was another big hit. Number 8, Gone Away, Alkaline.
Take a lot of energy and a lot of dedication. Me no mention hard work it. You saw me say.
Alkaline exploded onto the dancehall scene quite rapidly with numerous hit songs. Interest in the artist was also heightened, with people believing that he had tattooed his eyes, all black. He had hit songs such as Champion Boy, After All, and What We A Ga Do. One very memorable song was Gone Away, which was a song dedicated to friends who have passed away over the years. The song has become a classic of the R.I.P. segment in dancehall and still today one of his more memorable hits. Number 7, Fallen Soldiers by DeMarco.
Represent for the soldiers that pass and gone on the back of you. May you rest in peace, God, but not forgot to drop that. Cha! Yeah! Whoa!
DeMarco has been on the dancehall scene for quite a while and had his breakout hit with Fallen Soldiers, which was released in 2007. He had been producing rhythms for some time for other artists, all while improving his own talents as a DJ. He went on to have quite a few hits, both as a producer and an artist, over the few years that he has been in the industry. But his song Fallen Soldiers is a staple in dancehall and for sure a classic dancehall record. Number 6, Only Jano by Popcaan. Popcaan was formerly a member of Vybz Kartel's Portmore Empire and is known for creating massive anthems in the dancehall space. With a very diverse catalog, the content of Only Jano was not very unexpected, but was a very somber and heartfelt delivery from one of Jamaica's most prolific reggae dancehall acts. And the message of the song is one that his core audience would be very familiar with. He himself has had his own experience with loss, and his song Only Jano has become a soundtrack expressing the regrettable loss of loved ones, with the condolence that it is the will of a higher power.
Me no know where them kill you for. Now me no know where them kill you for. Janos. Yeah.
As we continue, please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to get videos as soon as they are released. We continue with number 5, Never Gonna Be the Same by Sean Paul. International superstar Sean Paul made his contribution to Don Corleone's Seasons Rhythm with the song Never Gonna Be the Same. The song was an ode to family, friends, and other musicians who have passed on over the years. The song was also featured on his 2006 album, The Trinity. Sean Paul, being a very consistent and precise artist that he is, made a heartfelt delivery on the song and made it one of his many classic songs in the dancehall space.
One day, people will understand the magnitude of what has happened to me in my career and what I've been able to do.
Number 4, Wish I Could See You Again by Black Rhino. Black Rhino was a part of the Portmore Empire before, quote-unquote, him left. He had quite a few underground hits while he was part of the group made popular by Vybz Kartel. His song, Wish I Could See You Again, was a stark contrast from his usual gangster demeanor, but nonetheless is one of his most popular contributions to dancehall music to date.
I'm a youth from the garrison, you know, derived from, I come from one town, moved from one town, I'm a youth that killed the water, could live this, and, you know, life never pretty.
Number 3, Miss You So Much, Black Man and Dexter Daps.
Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh? Even though I'm the talk, you know my answer.
International dancehall superstar Dexter Daps, and at the time newcomer Black Man, also from Seaview Gardens, penned the song Miss You So Much. The song took over the airwaves in Jamaica and is a sure staple for the Rest in Peace segment in dancehall. The song was a massive introduction for Black Man, who brought a strong presence to the song and held his own beside the very enigmatic Dexter Daps. At number 2, we have Lose a Friend by I-Octane.
So me know me lose a friend, lose a friend. Balance in the trouble.
I-Octane's Lose a Friend was a massive hit and probably started the whole trend of the R.I.P. and Missing You songs in the dancehall fraternity. It was instantly popular as the artist was on a hit spree, but this song was particularly special to the dancehall space. The video, which was released soon after by Truckback Records, added even more quality to the music and officially made the song a classic. Lose a Friend is one of 2 Truckback Records productions on Grease Sleeve's Best of compilation Raga 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 2010. Before we get to number 1, we want to mention Sad Story by Ja Vinci, Gone Too Soon by Vibes Cartel, and Miss You by Chronic Law. These are also massive songs in the segment. Number 1, Life Goes On by Deep Jai.
Quickly risen to the forefront of contestants in the competition and become one of the more popular names.
Deep Jai rose through the rounds of popular dancehall talent competition, Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. Very soon, Jamaicans could identify that he was a formidable talent with a bright future in Jamaican music. But it was his live rendition of his song, Life Goes On, that proved him to be a brilliant songwriter and performer. On one occasion of performing the song during the competition, his rendition elicited a tearful response from one of the judges, which was a testament to the power of the song. The song was re-recorded and released soon after the competition and was instantly a classic. Do you agree with our list? Are there any songs you think should be on this list? Let us know in the comments below. Also, please remember, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget, hit the notification bell if you want to get videos as soon as they are released. Thanks for watching. This is Jamaica Worldwide.